Hello and welcome to Aarohan Coaching Institute. In our last lecture of Indian Polity, we discussed the Charter Act of 1853. Those who haven't watched the video, please go and watch the video after completing this lecture. It will take just a few minutes and you will be able to understand it properly. In this video, we will discuss the Government of India Act 1858. Government of India Act 1858 is also known as the Act of Good Governance. If you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and give a thumbs up to the videos so that we know our videos are helping you in your preparations. So without any delay, let's get started. This significant act was enacted after the revolt of 1857, which also known as the First War of Independence or the Sepoy Mutiny. This act was known as the Act for the Good Government of India. It abolished the East India Company and transferred the powers of government, territories, and revenues to the British Crown. Features of the Act. Under this Act, from now on, India was to be governed by and in the name of Her Majesty, that is the Queen of England. It changed the designation of the Governor-General of India to that of Viceroy of India. The Viceroy was the direct representative of the British Crown in India. Lord Canning became the first Viceroy of India. It ended the system of double government by abolishing the Board of Control and Court of Directors. It created a new office called the Secretary of State for India. This Secretary of State for India was given complete authority and control over the Indian administration. The Secretary of State was a member of the British Cabinet and was responsible to the British Parliament. From the last 2 points, we have to remember that the Viceroy of India was appointed in India and the Secretary of State sat back in England as a member of British Cabinet. So Lord Stanley became the first Secretary of State for India after the Government of India Act 1858, and thus, he became the political head of India. It established a 15-member council to assist the Secretary of State for India. This 15-member council was an advisory body and the Secretary of State was made the chairman of the council. Lastly, it made the Secretary of State in Council a corporate body. Now let's look at the key points once again. Firstly, India now came under the direct rule of the British Crown. The post of Governor-General of India was made Viceroy of India. Lord Canning became the first Viceroy of India. It abolished the Board of Control and the Court of Directors. It created a new office called the Secretary of State for India. It established a 15-member council to assist the Secretary of State. The Act of 1858 was, however, largely confined to the improvement of the administrative machinery by which the Indian government was to be supervised and controlled in England. It did not alter in any substantial way the system of government that prevailed in India. So that's it for this video. Please go and watch other videos that we have uploaded and kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel so that we know our videos are helping you in your preparations. That's all for now. Thank you so much.